This is a demonstration of the DB Freedom app. When you open it, you'll see there's two queries here that are installed as part of the application. We're going to step away from those and create our own query. We're going to use the Infinidyne customer database, and we're going to pick the customer table for this. When you select it, it'll show you all of the columns that are available in that table. We're going to pick the name, company fields. We're now going to pick also new code and ID. And we're going to move on. Then let's take new code. We don't really want to see it, so we'll hide it, and then we're just going to say that it can't be empty. Then we're going to take ID and we're going to hide that also. Don't need to see that. We need it for some other purposes. We're going to name this customers, and then we're going to set the sorting so that it's sorted by name. Then we're done with this for now. We can tap it and bring up a alphabetical list of customers and companies. One of the great things with DB Freedom is the ability to link queries. So we're going to create another query here against the customer table. This will be a detail level query, so we're going to add some more items to it. Start with name and company, and we're also going to add email and last modified date and a couple other things. So we move on here, and we're going to bring up ID and say prompt for it. That is how the queries are linked. We can also set the date format for displaying modified date. And then we're going to name this just customer. And there's no sorting or anything, so we're done. So we go in and edit the customers list query, and what we're going to do is set up the linkage saying detail query of customer. Now when we pick customers, we have them linked, so we can pick any individual customer and then bring up the detail query. That is what's called a list and detail query in DB Freedom. As you can see, we could have added a whole bunch more information, but that's the end of